So we have a few pages in our super site, and the default path for these new pages has been set by using the page title that was created in Notion. Now, if we change the page title in Notion, as you know, the URL does not change, and this is to preserve the integrity of your site by keeping the site's URLs the same regardless of what happens in Notion. So if you change the title of a page in Notion, the original URL that was synced in Super will stay the same, meaning the page will keep working. But you can change the path and the URL for a page by clicking on the three dots next to the page and selecting Edit Page. And now what we can do is we can change the URL for this path. So I'm going to call this one About Us. And once I save this, we go back to Pages. The page is now called About Us in the page list.